Ayan, family Tio. Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Dapat tayo ikot. Ganun. Ikot. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Dance, dance, dance. Okay. Diyan. Mountain. Walang snow na. Gabi na. Yun ang snow sa tuktok. Line up for ice cream.
Kanina pa, I smell the ice cream.
Dito, ikot kayo dito, bilis! Ikot kayo dito, guys! Ikot dito, ikot! Dito, you look my hand! Come! Yes, ganon. Ano dyan, no? Smile. Okay, go there.
The ice cream smells so good. I love you, Mama.
Perfect yung ganito.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yung kamay mo, don't eat finger. It's dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, but more reflection like the pretty dirty sea.
Picture kita dyan, dyan. Harap. Kaya nga, nandito na sila.
Keep asking me what can I do. No, do something and then ask me if you can do something. Touch that like this. No. I say, ask me. Wait. So I say, do something and then ask me if I can do that. Okay, do it.
Turn right. Dito yata yung village stroller.
Wow! Alan, mabilis ka naman.
So lately,
Sige, you show me, Alan, dyan. Show me how. Show me, Alan, dyan.
find a better one? Okay lang.
Go.
Not like, no, you're not rushing. No,
No.
and especially right now, my baby. You like that? Oh, pickles. Knowing that you guys are coming,
Oh, wow.
let's go.
Hindi po.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Have a milk? Have a milk? Oh, madami. You drink? Ooh. You're funny. Yummy? You say, thank you for the ice cream, Auntie Maymay. Sabi mo. Harap, Alan dyan. Harap. Alis na dyan, harap. Smile. Harap dito, harap. Yummy? Ayan.
Bebe.
Yummy? O, kain na.
Bebe.
Wow, eating ice cream at night. So sweet naman.
Daddy help you. Yeah.
Anong iniiyak mo dyan, madam? Iluwag mo nga lang dyan, iluwag mo. Iluwag mo. Iluwag mo siya nga, Alan dyan. Iluwag mo, Alan dyan. Kasi masikip pa eh. Say good night, everyone! Pinagparkan. Yan dito.
Tanan.
Yeah. Ganda ng ulap. Grabe. Parang napaka payapa. Payapa. Tahimik. Payapa. Ng pollution ba? Ang gusto ko dito yung mga bahay eh. Kakaiba yung mga bahay nila dito oh. Talagang wow naman. Talagang paggagawan mo ng gusto mong bahay. Anong gusto mong design. Ako mas gusto ko dito wood. Kasi yung yan, mga ganito. Kasi yung paligod mo mga trees. Yan, mga ganyan.
Ito yata tayo kumana.
Pahinga tayo. Ang harap natin ay ganon. Sarap guys. Ang ganda ng langit. Grabe. Ayan po, nakikita pang maraming snow sa tuktok ng bundok. Ganda ng view.
Yeah, you're all wet, baby.
That's okay, because later you'll go to a swimming pool.
You're all wet.
Ganda oh. Ganda guys oh. Para kaming nasa New Zealand. New Zealand, ano? Yung mga bundok. May snow pa. Ito hindi na to nakikita sa ano namin, sa lugar namin. May snow pang bundok. Bakit? Agad?
Yeah.
Yan na. Ito ka din. Dito saan? Yun na, ang ganda ng ano, baby hotel oh. Tingnan natin yung... Ah, yun na, nandito na tayo. Yun na yung hotel. Wow! You see the hotel oh? Pan Pacific din?
There is a Pan Pacific.
Wait lang. Punta tayo dito.
Turn right onto Sundial Place, then your
Tingnan
destination
mo,
will
ang
be on
ganda
the
ng mga
right.
hotel oh. Sige, sige. If you want, remove na. Sige na, remove na.
This is our hotel. This is their... This one is our hotel. This is their village.
Your destination is on the right.
Hot spring.
Grabe, ang ano kulay yan nila sa jet? Wow! Grabe oh! May lalo ka dito ng pinalaki. Turquoise. Yeah, turquoise. Pinag-aralan namin ang turquoise. Video. At the back, snow and mountain.
Who's that girl? Who's that pretty girl taking a picture or video of me?
Ayan, oh wow! Nasa tuktok sila ng bundok.
Puntok.
Bundok.
Puntok.
Tingnan nyo no, at tingnan mo yun, no, snow yun no. Malamig pa din ang simoy ng hangin. Tara na daddy.
Pag pa-uwi, depending ano oras, baka tayo. So,
Daddy, can you make the